Meditation Made Easy, a daily practice guide. Are you looking to incorporate meditation into your daily routine? It's easier than you think. Here are some tips for a successful daily meditation practice. First, find a quiet and comfortable space where you will not be interrupted. This could be a spare bedroom, a dedicated corner in your home, or even outside in nature. Next, choose a time of day that works best for you. It could be first thing in the morning when you wake up, during your lunch break, or before bed. Sitting or lying down comfortably, close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Focus on your breath and let any thoughts or distractions float away. If you are new to meditation, start with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the length of your sessions. You can also try guided meditations, which can be found on various apps or online. This can help with staying focused and on track. Remember to be patient and gentle with yourself. Meditation is a practice, not a perfect, and each session will be different. Incorporating meditation into your daily routine can have numerous benefits, including reduced stress, improved focus, and increased relaxation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tools for living a healthy and balanced life.